Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are on our way into Five Below. Hi, thank you. Let me see. I think these notebooks we saw the other day. Yeah, these composition notebooks we did see. They have some of the crazy art markers for $20 for this big eraser. We're gonna compete with the music in this location today. What's this? Stationery set, 7 count. Oh, that's cute. There's the fruits. That one has the oranges. And I think I see like some cookies or something right here. Donuts. A flower-shaped box cutter. That's cute. Oh, there's the cloud-shaped one. Some eraser caps, some little mini notes. We looked at these the other day. We also did look at the shirts. If y'all missed the video, I think it's about 2 days ago. I don't know, about 2 or 3 days ago. Make sure y'all go back and check that out. Here's some of the book bags. That one is so cute. The boba one. What's that, a corgi? That one is cute too. Some of the bottles. The lunch boxes, those are 7. These are 6. More book bags. And then over here, there's the peanut shorts and the hats bag. Some of the peanuts, stuffies, and the blankets. So they finished off the lamps. These are 7. Pink, white, black, blue. The velvet storage bins. What are these? Some of the pillows, floor cushions, and in the backrest, some of the Luxe collection marbled Sherpa blankets, pink, gray, and cream. All right, so right here at this point of the store, the music was just getting a little loud, so we got a voiceover. I just saw these weekly boards. These were 5. This one has the rose, the peach, and the skull. Some more dry erase markers, dry eraser. This little section was so cute. Snack Attack, Pop-Tarts. It's the highlighters, the multi-changeable pen, and the notebooks. The Cheez-Its, the Eggo, and the Cheetos. Dangerously Cheesy. Some sketchbooks. That one says Sketch. Smart Juice. That sketch. Oh, look at that one. The one with the roses on the side. I didn't even realize it in the store. Some planners. Those are 5. Down there they had the mini trash cans, which we'd seen in the vlog before that one. If you guys missed the Five Below trip before this one, make sure you check that out because there was a lot of back to school stuff. And this is at a different location, but they had a good amount of stuff out. The metal laptop stand. The metal laptop stands. Miss Scara wants to help me do the voiceover. The sparkle lip phone. This Bluetooths to your cell phone for $10. Some calculators, mouse pad.
Mouse pad.
Yeah, mouse pad. The phone stand.
For that.
This was a flower mini desk lamp and a miniature mini desk lamp. And a flower pot scissors. I thought this was so cute. The pen holders, the cat, the smart juice to match the
Cat.
sketchbook, some highlighters.
Oh.
And the last time I was staying in store, I showed y'all these cups. It had the rubber lids, but they do have some with the straw options. I think these cups are so cute.
You're cute.
And these are glass.
Cat.
And let's see, the pocket lamps right over here. They have some of the pom-pom pins, the sticky notes, book annotation sets. We saw these. Those are the erasers, the skulls, a little bit of summer wing, the pencil pouches with the big giant zipper, more notebooks, and look at this cute bow sketchbook. All right, just browsing through. I think I was saying most of the stuff we saw. These are some new shorts. The face mask, the Clueless is the lemon scented. Yep, and there's a burn book.
Book.
She's saying that the microphone is green. Cooling face mask,
Green.
night owl face mask,
Nice.
some of the spa headbands and scrunchies. Most of the stuff that we been seeing. Just taking a little browse around. The hanging planters. And look at these trash cans. There's two different versions. So it's this one. I'm trying to fix the little top. This one has the headphones. So cute. With the panda. Showing y'all the little feet. And I didn't realize the black one is right back in there with the panda. And then they still have the boba trash cans with the boba tops. Some of the picture frames. I think these are so cute. The cat with the rose. Some more knit kits. Itty Bitty Knit. It's the popsicle, the ice cream, and the lime. There was some chalkboard paint that was $3.25 and the dot markers. We saw the dot markers in Aldi. The chrome powder for $3. And the iridescent paint for $3. Crazy crackle clay. And there was some less paint sets. More of the markers. Look at that. Whack-a-boba tea. Paw Patrol. It's a new strawberry shortcake, a new heads up game. As seen on Ellen, over 2 million games sold. Operation, Murder Mystery. They always have some cute games here. And puzzles. Some new smoke and mirror sets. It says pumpkin lip balm or the butter balm. Highlighter powder, bronzer, and the brush. Oh, those are so cute with the little charms on them. So this is vanilla iced. This one is vanilla, iced coffee, gummy bear, cherry, and strawberry. Little charms on it. Smoke and mirrors, a lip gloss, and an eyeshadow. Some more lip balms and butters. It's the same ones. No, this is cream, coconut cream, French caramel, pink grapefruit, strawberry glaze, and wild berries. Smoke and mirrors, another set. Some cuticle oil, and all the Clinique brushes and stuff. Or Chic Pro. And look at the cotton swabs and the cherry, and then the facial tissues. Ooh, a little dustpan. Right?
Right? It's hard to get through it.
This one has bows on it, and then the pink one is the hearts. So they probably have the cherries and stuff in that one too. The cotton pads. And then here's the hand sanitizers. With the cute little pom-poms. And we did see this set. And this set. Alright, that looks like that's going to be the end of our trip in Five Below for now. There's a dual-ended alcohol markers. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out the description box for more information. I really appreciate you guys for always clicking on the videos and browsing around with me. And I will see y'all in the next one. Get the push pins.